In a world that never slows down, there are still moments that feel pure. In quiet moments, nothing feels rushed. Everything just feels right. And in the smallest moments, joy finds its way, effortlessly. Life unfolds in the simplest ways, free and beautifully alive. On the water, everything feels calm, just as it should. In the simple moments, we feel truly at home. Even the smallest moments can bring true joy. Out there, where everything feels peaceful, life flows in harmony. And maybe the most beautiful things were always right here. Life moves on, slowly, in its own way. In open spaces, life finds its rhythm, naturally. In the smallest details, we discover a quiet kind of magic. In moments like these, we realize what truly matters. In the sound of water, we find the peace we need. And in the beauty around us, we discover something deeper. And maybe this is where we feel at home. And sometimes it's enough. And maybe this is all we really need. In nature, every beginning is protected. And every step moves forward, the story of life. In every moment, there is care and connections that matter. Sometimes, life is just a game. In quiet moments, we discover the simplest joys. We are more alike than we think. In stillness, we find peace. In the smallest moments, we feel the deepest connections. And maybe this is enough. Moment of peace